Two big stories in oil. First, as you guys noted, President Biden expected to announce a release of 1 million barrels a day from the Strategic Petroleum Reserve, the emergency reserves, for maybe up to 6 months, according to numerous reports. That would carry the 180 million barrels. That would be the biggest ever release of oil. Now, Goldman Sachs out with a note saying, yes, this might help blunt the impact of rising prices in the near term, but won't impact the supply deficit they see coming for years and could even raise oil demand if prices fall. So if it works and prices go down, people may drive more. Okay, also today, OPEC and OPEC Plus are meeting. Expect, guys, another fast one. The last one took less than 20 minutes. They've just basically been rubber stamping their previous deal to raise output by 400,000 barrels a day. This one should actually be a little more, around 430,000. That's really just sort of a slight rise on their quotas, kind of a technicality of 30,000 barrels, just a rounding error. But if you see that number, that's why. A lot of big questions surrounding OPEC right now. Man, I wish we were there in Vienna. Number one, when do or if the Saudis react? Do they make a unilateral increase? Does the UAE cave to U.S. pressure? The Secretary of State met with them on Tuesday in Morocco. They're a close military ally. Do they go ahead and unilaterally raise output? Does the relationship with Russia in OPEC Plus hold up? Right now, it appears that it will, OPEC trying to take a no politics approach to the market. In the meantime, guys, gasoline prices, they're still higher, averaging $4.25 a gallon. That is 50% higher than a year ago. I know the president's going to speak today, Joe, and they're going to blame everything on Putin. But I will just say this. The reality is, and I'll post a chart, maybe I'll be back on 8 a.m. and I'll try to get this chart ready, show you oil production versus prices. Prices go up, production goes up later. Prices fall, production falls. The price of oil is only a couple of dollars higher than it was 2 months before Putin invaded Ukraine. So the price of oil was up 50% in a year, well before anybody started talking about Russia and Putin. That's just something to note as far as fundamental demand goes.
Right.